We are the girls, of Solar Prep. Okay, we're here to change the world step by step. Curiosity is how we grow. We ask, explore, and get to know. We are the leaders of today. So step aside, don't stand in our way. We are the girls, of Solar Prep. Okay, we're here to change the world step by step. Humility is how we show respect. We celebrate ourselves, but we keep pride in check. Grit is what we need when our going gets rough. We don't ever give up, even when life gets rough. Hi, my name is Milligan. Hi, my name is Samira. And today we're going to be doing the No Arm Slime Challenge. So basically how it works is we're going to put this big t-shirt on. You need a big t-shirt, you need borax, you need glue, and you need, well, you don't have to have food coloring. We're just getting food coloring so it can be beautiful. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Yeah. Okay. So now what we're going to do is, here's the bowl. And yeah, so first thing we need to do is get the glue. Get one. Okay. Is that a bug? What is this? Is this the school glue? Yep. Okay. Let me know. It's glue off. Okay, it's fine. The dog! I'm opening the glue right now. I'm pouring it in. Excuse you. So here's the glue. So we poured the glue in, and then now we're going to open the food coloring, and we're using blue. I just gotta feel the bowl. I'm feeling the bowl right now. That's enough. Now here's our slime and here's our color. Oh no. So this is the help me. No. Well, no. Okay. So okay, we got it open. No! What are you doing? What are you doing? So let's get the water first. Oh. Where's the bowl? Over there. No! What's happening? Go get the borax! Get the borax! Get the borax! No, get the water! No, there's no borax in the water! What are you doing? No, that's not it! We need some more. Okay, that's enough! That is enough! Now I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Just going to pour it into the bowl. Now let's mix. We don't have a spoon, so it's right here. It's right here. Where's the borax? Let go of that. We need the borax. Listen to me. Hands, work. Milligan, what are you doing to me? Oh, where's the shaving cream? Shaving cream is right here. Now we need to pour it. A little bit more. That is not. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there. I cracked myself up a lot. I think we're done. we think we're done. So yeah, let's see our slime. Lift it up a little bit more. So now it's my turn, but the one that Samira made, the one you made. Well, the one that I made with my hands, it was good. It was really bad until we like kneaded it, and once we started kneading it, it was really good. But now it's Samira's turn. Yeah, I don't remember stuff. Don't get me messy. I don't like getting messy. Well, you know what's not gonna happen with me. Oh, yep, I know. Okay. Okay, so first we're gonna get the bowl. Yes, and my hands are very good at cooperating with not the shaving cream yet. We need the glue. Don't pour it on me. And that's good. That's good. Oh, no. There's the shaving cream. That's good. Now let's get the green food coloring. There's the green. Now we're going to pour it in. Now let's pour it. Yes. And so that's enough. That's good. Okay, now let's get the borax. We already have. Oh, we do? Never mind. No, we don't. It's in a rubber band. I'm going to find it. Okay, got it. Never mind. I got it. Now let's pour some into the water. Stop. Move over there. Now we're mixing pretty good. Now it's time to pour it into the bowl. Thank you. That's good. Now let's start mixing. This big hot mess. Not as big. Stop. Hey, that's really good. I'm mixing with my hands. Oh my God. No, you're pouring it. No, let's not do that. Let's not do that, hands. They're not cooperating. Hands, let's not do that. Okay, hands, let's not do that. Hands, I said let's not do that. Hands, cooperate now. I'm being nice. It's coming together really good. Oh, this is not working. Okay, that's enough. I'm working out so good. No. No. No, hands. You didn't. Hands, you couldn't pour it in the bowl, sadly, hands. You just spilled it all over everywhere. Okay, I think we're done. I think we're done. And so this one is pretty sticky because we did stuff to it. Yeah. And also a tip for slime. Put it in hot water for like 10 seconds and it turns out really good. Yeah, and if you want to make it hard, if you want to make it harder, then don't do it. But if you want to make it like stretchier and softer, do it. Yeah, it's very messy. So yeah, thanks. Yeah, please like and subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and bye.